Hello, my friend. If you want to make thousands of dollars every month from YouTube without even showing your face, then keep watching this video because I'm about to reveal 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can use to do exactly that. And with a lot of these examples, you don't even have to record your own videos. I'm even going to show you example channels that are already successful doing this. Watch until the end because this last channel I'm going to show you is making up to $144,000 every month. And you can do the exact same thing if you put in the work. So let's get straight into this video with the first faceless YouTube channel idea, which is viral stories. So here is one great example of a viral stories faceless YouTube channel called Trend Central. You can see they've got over 4 million subscribers, and this video right here has got over 8 million views. So that means the person who owns this channel has made at least $24,000 from this one video alone. And you can see they're doing videos like the richest person comparison, richest people in the world. And all it is it just talks about the richest people in the world. And they have not shot any of this footage themselves. They are using other people's footage, and that's totally allowed under YouTube fair use guidelines, as long as you do it the right way. Let's take a look at some of their other videos. World's fastest workers. So they just compile the world's fastest workers. They get video footage of people working very fast. They put it together into a video. They put their own custom voiceover on top of it, which is very important. And they upload it to YouTube. And they do that over and over. And that is how they are making. Let's see how much this channel is making. According to Social Blade, this channel is making up to $37,000 every month posting these videos. That's up to $450,000 or more every year just running a channel like this. And I'm telling you, there is no reason that you cannot do this exact same thing. Let's take a look at the next YouTube channel idea, the roller coaster point of views. Now here's a good example channel called Theme Park Review. This is one that you may not have thought of, but you can definitely make a lot of money with a faceless roller coaster point of view channel. If you are into riding roller coasters, this is a perfect idea for you. You just basically travel around, ride different roller coasters, and film it. You could even eventually get the theme parks to let you in for free just so you cover their roller coasters on your channel. So you can see this is just them riding different roller coasters. That would be a very fun YouTube channel to run. You could even get other people to shoot the roller coaster videos for you. You could find people on Fiverr or Upwork, places like that, and pay them a little bit of money to go to these different places, shoot the video, and then you upload it to your channel. So that is another great idea for a faceless YouTube channel. Let's see how much money they're making. You can see they're making up to $15,000 a month, which is almost up to $200,000 every year just from this one channel uploading fun roller coaster rides. Let's take a look at the next faceless YouTube channel idea, which is paper airplane. Now, I would be surprised if you have heard other people talking about this one. This is a very obscure YouTube channel idea, and it's a great one. If you can fold paper airplanes, you can make money on YouTube. Check this out. This channel just films themselves folding different paper airplanes. Let's see some of their videos. How to make 5 competition-winning paper airplanes. A boomerang paper airplane. How to make a plane that flies back to you. How to make, and this one they do show their face, but you wouldn't have to. How to make the best paper airplane that flies far. How to make a great paper airplane glider. So yeah, you just find different plans on how to fold these different paper airplanes. You fold it up, you film it, upload it to YouTube, and you can make money. Let's see how much money they're making. The channel's making up to $9,000 a month, up to $110,000 a year, just uploading these foldable paper airplane videos. And if you thought this was just a 1 in a million thing, it's not. Here is another channel that is doing the same thing. Mahir Origami. And again, it's just somebody folding paper airplanes. So you could easily make a channel like this. Let's see how much money this channel is making. Not too bad. up to $8,000 a month, almost up to $100,000 a year, just uploading folding paper airplane videos. And this channel here has not even uploaded in 2 years, and they're still bringing in money. That's not bad for uploading some paper airplane videos 2 years ago. So if you're into folding paper airplanes, or you might be into it, this could be a great channel for you. Big shout out to Laughing Monkey for being the random subscriber of this video. Check out their channel in the description below, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and maybe I'll shout out your channel in the next video. Now let's take a look at the next YouTube Faceless channel idea, which is being a VTuber. Now what is a VTuber? A VTuber is basically a virtual YouTuber. Now this is another idea you can use to make a faceless channel. Instead of appearing on camera, you just use VR and a face tracking VR software to turn yourself into a virtual character. Check this out. And you can use this with any niche that interests you. This channel, The Virtual Reality Show, actually has a video where they show you exactly how to do this, how to be a virtual YouTuber complete guide. I will leave a link in the description below, and you can check that out. Let's take a look at the next one, which is cooking recipes. Here's an example channel called Tasty Recipes, over 1 million subscribers. So if you're always cooking up new and interesting recipes, or if you would like to start cooking up new and interesting recipes, this would be a great faceless channel to start. You can see it's just, they film themselves or somebody else making recipes, they edit it together, put a voiceover on it, and that's the video. Let's see how much money this channel's making. They're making up to $11,000 a month, over $100,000 a year, just uploading simple cooking videos. And there's no reason that you can't do the same thing. The next YouTube channel idea is politics. Here's a great example channel called Second Thought. And you can see what they do is they just make different videos about certain political topics, like how the US should have spent the Afghanistan war budget. And they've got over 1 million subscribers, and they're bringing in up to $12,000 a month, almost up to $150,000 a year, making political videos. And this person does show their face, but again, you wouldn't have to. And a lot of their videos, they don't show their face, and they do not shoot any of this footage. They just stitch together footage from other places, news groups, stuff like that, put a voiceover on it, and that's the video. Take a look at the next niche, which is car spotting. Now this is a pretty cool channel, Exotic Car Spotters, and what they do is they go to different car events and they film the cars that they see. So if you're into cars, that would be a great thing to do. Just start a YouTube channel where you go to different car events or car shows and film different exotic cars, upload it to YouTube, and make some money. Let's see how much money they are making. They're making up to $13,000 a month and up to $161,000 a year just uploading simple exotic car videos. So that would be a great niche to go into. And now it's time for the last one, the one that is making the most amount of money. And number 8, philosophical questions. You can see we have a channel here called What If, and they just upload videos about what if something happened. What if humans suddenly went extinct? What if Earth reached boiling point for 5 seconds? And this is another channel that does not use their own footage. They use other people's footage and put it together with a unique voiceover, and that's the video. Like I said, this channel is making up to $144,000 a month and up to $1.7 million a year just uploading videos like this. So if you want to know how to make these videos, I made a video all about that. You could check the link in the description for that. Click here to check out this video for even more faceless YouTube channel ideas, and I'll see you in the next video.